For this video, we will identify mainly anterior forearm compartment structures. So just to give you idea how the forearm is positioned in this particular specimen, it's somewhat in neutral position, no? Not really in anatomical position, because the thumb here is more directed anteriorly rather than laterally. In anatomical position, the thumb should be directed laterally. So for this particular specimen, what we can see here mostly are anterior forearm compartment structures, mainly the more superficial structures. We have identified some of them in another video, so let's review. We have here the palmaris longus. We have here the flexor carpi radialis, and then we have the flexor digitorum superficialis muscle right there, flexor of the second up to the fifth digits, and we have flexor carpi ulnaris. The artery that you can see right there, that's the ulnar artery. Okay, here on the other side, we have the radial artery, the pale blood vessel right there. You can see you have two veins running alongside the radial artery. The veins here are actually darker red in color, no? While the artery looks more pale. The artery again is the radial artery, while those two are the venae committantes to the radial artery. We can simply call them the radial veins. Let us trace where the radial artery comes from. You can see it right there. It's coming from the brachial artery. And then the radial veins, together with the ulnar vein, which is, I think, obscured. No? It's somewhat visible, but partly obscured. The radial veins, together with the ulnar vein, will form the brachial vein, which is the venae committantes to the brachial artery. We have the bicipital aponeurosis right here. This muscle, that's the pronator teres. Pronator teres. This one is the brachioradialis, and more lateral to that is already extensor carpi radialis longus. And then this vein right here, its color is similar to the color of radial artery. This is the cephalic vein, no? And some of its tributaries. You can see it ascends, it follows a superficial position as it ascends, crossing the lateral aspect of the arm. Then we have the flexor retinaculum right here. That structure crossing below the flexor retinaculum, that is the median nerve. So we will look at another specimen where the dissection goes to more deeper structures.